Find or read reviews that people are talking about. GUKOK Upgrade 100 feet, Expandable Garden Hose, Water Hose with 10 Function. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose GUKOK Upgrade 100 feet, Expandable Garden Hose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Latest double-layer stretchable design. High-density and resilient latex tube made of natural latex, and a high-flexibility stretchable fabric cover made of rubber and polyester fiber instead of traditional fabric covers. Allows the hose to expand up to 2x to 5x its original size both internally and externally, making it the perfect choice for outdoor gardening, watering, cleaning, and other activities. Superb scalability. Our water hose can expand up to 2 times to 5 times its original length, reaching a maximum of 50 feet with full water pressure. It quickly contracts back to its original size within seconds once the water is turned off. No more worrying about kinks, twists, bursts, or getting tangled up during the use. Suitable for most homes, our garden hose has a high-quality 3/4 inch American Standard solid brass joint and leak-proof rubber gasket that helps you get rid of common pipe rust, leak, or cracks. Fitting typical American outdoor garden faucets. Also compatible with a wide range of spray nozzles available in the market. Lightweight for the garden, the stretch water hoses are lightweight, flexible, and easy to store. They can be easily maneuvered around the lawn or yard even when filled with water. Help you get rid of all the obsession brought by traditional heavy-duty plastic water pipes. Remember to store it out of the direct sun. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. If you satisfied, you can press the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.